Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. It's chilly this morning. Alarm is supposed to go off here in about 10 minutes. Got woke up by something else. I'm here at the Planet Fitness parking lot. I worked out and took a shower last night and camped out here in their parking lot. I gotta be over at Fiberine. It's 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna go grab me a quick McDonald's breakfast. And it's foggy outside. Foggy. Oh, it was a 2-blanket night. I've got this electric blanket here. Controls are on the other side, but I didn't use it. The 2 blankets were enough to keep me warm. I've got this Kelp electric one and then this Kelp Biggie blanket, which is awesome. I'm gonna get up. Yeah. Don't want to, but I'm getting up. Gotta get the van over there at 8 o'clock this morning. I think I already said that. I'll take you along.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Fiberine. Yep. Won't be able to do too much video in here. They don't want me to video their secrets, and I have to ask when I take pictures. But pretty darn cool. At least I get to watch it.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon and the far.
Well, I'm over here at Long Beach. The guys over there at Fiberine got me an Uber, and I had lunch over there at Hooters. Had some wings, and now I'm just looking around. This is a kind of neat place. Let's see here. I'll put where I am right here because I'm not really sure. I think it's Long Beach. Maybe not. There's an outlet mall across the street. Went over there, ordered a chai tea. Where's my chai tea at? Here it is. Ordered a chai tea, and then I just realized there was no seats there at the Starbucks where I got my chai tea. By the way, Starbucks, you suck for not having any place to sit down. I was gonna sit down and enjoy my chai tea. So now I'm over here at this, whatever this is, a port or something. But there's restaurants around here. It's really, really nice. And I noticed a lot more people around here wear a mask than they do in Texas. Yeah, I know. Anyway, And there's a whole lot of electric cars here. I saw an electric Ford Mustang. That's kind of wild. Anyway, thought I'd let you know what was going on. Somebody's boarding for a cruise over there. Right there. Yep, boarding for a cruise. So I'm just killing time, taking a look around. I guess they wanted me out of there. Maybe I was too much in the way. I was trying to help a little bit. But anyhow, they're going to be done with the fiberglass topper today, installing it, as far as I know. And a couple of other projects that are going over there that I can't talk about yet. I'll get back with you at Fiberine.
Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face.
All right, I'm standing inside the van. This is cool. I'm excited. Yeah.
All that ever was.
Addio, Lone Star Rider here. The topper's put on. It's all done. Working on a couple of secret projects with Gonzalez, but hey, it's going to be cool. Yes, very cool. I'm so excited about the room that I have there that I didn't have before, headwise. I'm headed over to Quartzsite. See if I can meet up with some friends over there, spend a couple of days there, and then I'll head back to Fort Worth so I can get in time for my granddaughter's birthday, Beza. I forgot how old she's going to be. I'll have to look it up. But, yeah, I'm excited. Got the topper put on. I can't tell you how much of a relief it is to have that topper put on. Now I can go forward for some other projects that I'm going to put in here, and then once I get the bed situated, I can even go further in more projects. I'm excited. Yeah, I'll catch y'all on the road.